This is an example of one of the microlearning units on participation, and I was able to create this on Genially, which is a very user-friendly authoring tool that allows you to design interactive multimedia presentations. The video you've seen before, I created on Canva, that is also very easy to use and allows you to create perhaps more attractive materials. So technology is really on our side in this case. And the last thing that we discovered with our teacher CPD journey was how collaboration was key. And microlearning fosters collaborative learning communities among teachers, providing opportunities to share insights, to share best practices, to share tips, ideas, and collectively elevate the quality of education, in our case, in our program, but in their communities. So by combining microlearning with communities of practice, we were able to foster interaction through forum comments, post reactions, polling. We encouraged crowdsourcing ideas and strategies on this platform, and also to empower teachers as content creators themselves. And these are some examples of interactions teachers had on our forum discussions. Teachers also used groups to connect to peers, ask for advice and ideas. And many of them shared their own content and resources with peers, which happened very organically and proved most valuable. So to end, perhaps you are asking, okay, how can I engage in microlearning if I don't have a teacher development manager who's producing this for me, or if my school doesn't have a specific teacher training or teacher development program? So just a few simple steps. First of all, you need to identify your own learning goals. And perhaps these goals are very big. So it's a good idea to chunk them, to break them down into practical, focused questions. How can I blah, blah, blah? And to tackle your professional challenges with a problem-solving approach. Once you have your goals, you need to choose a microlearning platform or several. And again, if your school doesn't provide one, you can explore websites dedicated specifically to teaching English as a foreign language, such as, for example, the British Council's Teaching English site, which is awesome. You can also consider other learning platforms like Coursera, LinkedIn Learning, Udemy, or edX, and they will provide very focused short courses. And engage with peers and with peer content on social media, through teacher blogs. Whichever platform you choose, the idea is that you explore this bite-sized content yourself. Look for short video lessons, tutorials, things which are concise and directly related to your goals, infographics, short articles. Find educational podcasts that cover topics that you're interested in, or explore blog posts from colleagues who share their experiences and insights. And one more thing is to join online communities, and perhaps your school has one. Perhaps you have WhatsApp groups with colleagues in your district. And if you don't, this is an example on Facebook, and it's the British Council Teaching Community. It allows you to connect with other EFL teachers and discuss your learning experiences, ask questions, share resources, share tips and strategies, and also get recommendations from peers as to what the most effective and relevant microlearning opportunities are. And finally, you need to extract actionable takeaways from whatever microlearning experiences you engage with, and apply the ideas in your classroom. And of course, take the time to reflect on what you've learned and how it has impacted your classroom practice. And reflective practice is going to be so important in whichever type of CPD you participate in, because it's not just about getting the information, but it's actually about applying it in your classroom, seeing what works, thinking about how things have changed and why. So I hope you have taken in a couple of ideas and are ready to start your own microlearning journeys. I will, of course, now would like to open the floor for questions and take your comments and queries.